What's up YouTube? Gal, check this gadget coming to you with a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S22. Very excited to have this phone. As you can see, also in the shot I got me some Buzz Live and some leather and the leather cover for it. Those are my free items. If you ever wanted to get a Samsung phone, I definitely recommend that you do it when you pre-order. First of all, you usually get your stuff early. So this phone was scheduled to come out on a Friday. Today is Tuesday, so I received mine a few days early. In addition to that, you get more money for your trade-in. Now, I did not do a trade-in for this phone, but if you were, this is the best time to get it because Samsung wants you into those new products, so they're going to give you more money than you would usually get on a trade-in. And then you get some free stuff. So this one, I think I had $150. Could have got 150 or 200. I couldn't find the extra little $50. It wasn't coming up, so I didn't really mind because it was some stuff on there that I didn't really want. Not too many options for me to choose from. Only thing I was really interested in was the Watch 4, Galaxy Watch 4, but I didn't want to pay too much out of pocket. So I just went with these two items here. The wireless chargers, I got a wireless charger last time, and I'm not impressed with Samsung wireless chargers. It was the one with the wireless charger and the watch, and it makes like a weird buzzing noise, so I was turned off by that. I got plenty of chargers, so I'm good on that front. So I just went with the Buzz Live and the leather cover. I already have some Buzz Lives. I love them, but they're black and these were red. Red's my favorite color. They were offering them for free, so I decided to go ahead and grab them. So let's get into the unboxing. As you can see, we still have the slim box. As you can see by the color here, I went with the green model. I forgot what the exact color is called, but y'all know it's green. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm also going to unbox the leather case so you can see the quality of that. I'm going to show you, compare the size of this Samsung S22 to the Flip 3 and the iPhone 13 Pro. And yeah, that should cover all the bases. So let's take a look, see how good this green looks. Last time I got black. I have saw the green before when I ordered the Fold 3 last time, even though I didn't end up keeping the Fold 3. I did get green in that one. And I liked it because some angles it looks black, but then some angles it looks green. So it's kind of cool. All right, here's the phone. And ooh, look at that green. It looks good. On camera, it kind of got like a bluish green tint to it. Now, I did have the S21. I enjoyed the S21. It was a little taller than I had hoped. And I was kind of regretting not getting the S20. I really love the form factor of the S20. It was small. But with this one, they went down just slightly in size. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. So it's very, very boxy. I love the feel in the hand. I love this. They kept this from the last year's model. So I think that looks great. So I'm definitely looking forward to this. All flat. So this is only thing that's good. I love Samsung curved displays. I know some people are, don't like them. I love them. But however, having a flat panel like this would be easier for tempered glass. Like I never have got tempered glass for my my Note Ultra, but this I will have tempered glass. You can see the gloss on the side. Let's peel this off. There we go. And there is the beautiful color. In addition to that, as you know, Samsung followed Apple because they follow everything Apple do. So we don't get any chargers in the box. Got your SIM tool here. Have your USB-C, USB-C cable. Then you have a quick start guide for people that are wondering. That's that side, and that is that side. Unboxings are really not that fun like they used to be because the companies don't put anything else in the box anymore. So that is that. Let's go ahead and take a look at this leather case to see how close it goes with the phone. So it just comes in a standard white box as most of Samsung's products do. Me and the little knife. Oh, the camera ain't turned. Sorry. I'm on my bed. I'm on my bed. I'm being lazy today. All right. Okay. Definitely like the feel of it. So it just comes just like that, and I just took it off. So smooth little baby knife out the way. Definitely like the feel of it. Can already see a little bend right there, but it's a leather case, so you know that's just what comes with it. All the leather cases are not gonna be created equal. Just gotta take what you can get. Definitely like the feel of it. So as you can see, let's look at the color here. You can definitely see on camera, like I said, the phone green has a bluish tint to it, but the case is like a true dark forest green type. So let's go ahead and pop it in there. Oh, let me show you the front of the case. So we just have that smooth material and hard plastic over there. I will be, I ordered some tempered glass, and it's going to come with a camera cover, a clear one. I got a clear one this time. Last time I had a black one. This time I got a clear one, so that'll be on there. Hopefully it doesn't cause any problems with the case. But if you look closely, you have a little indent there. But of course, the camera bump is indented, so it has to be indented. So hopefully the tempered glass doesn't cause any issues with the case. I don't think it will. But so you got your button cover-ups just like on that side, and there's no buttons on that side. Here's your cutout. So let's go ahead and pop it in. All right, so we drop it right in there. We have a little bit of raised lip, but it's pretty flush. But very slightly raised lip. Still want to drop this face down, for sure. Want to drop this face down. And here it is with the phone. So as you can see, it will totally cover the camera. All you can see is the slight ring, but other than that, this camera bump is fully covered up, which I like. Let's do a flat test. Nope. Sorry about that, guys. So it's a little wobble. We still have that little wobble, as you can see there. Let me try to pull up to the camera so you can. Okay, if you look up at the left corner, you can see that little wobble. I don't know if you can hear it. So there is a little wobble there. That's going to be expected with the camera bump there. So yeah. That's the unboxing of this. Let me know if you have any questions. Oh, I'm not done. Haha. Size comparison. So, iPhone 13 Pro. So, S22 is a little more narrow. And height-wise, it's like, let me make sure I try to, it's just a hair shorter. Now these both have cases on them, so hair shorter. The flip, which would be a better comparison if you're going from Samsung to Samsung. Of course, S22 is shorter because the flip has a larger screen, and it is also a little more narrow. So as you can see there, a little more narrow. Size comparison. And I will show you to the Samsung S22, but I am filming with it. The only other phone I have is to show you with is iPhone 12 mini. This is the iPhone 12 mini. Same applies to the 13. They're same size. So just for any people that might have an iPhone mini and want to come over to Samsung, there is the difference right there as far as height. And then, of course, little iPhone mini is smaller, so there's where you're gonna losing on the width right there. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to checking out this phone. Definitely probably recommend the leather case. It has a good feel. Fairly soft. I like that it covered up the camera bump fully. And it's free, so you can't beat that. You always want to have a case for protection, and it's nice to have something leather instead of, you know, silicone or hard plastic. So till next time, guys, later.